Bhairavastakam. Today is an important topic, Bhairavastakam. The Kala Bhairavastakam is a powerful devotional hymn in Sanskrit composed by the 8th century philosophical saint Adi Shankaracharya in praise of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, Shiva's fierce manifestation, Kala Bhairava, Lord of Time and Guardian of the holy city of Kashi. But by remembering Kala Bhairava, a person attains the bliss that is the deepest state of Samadhi, where you are devoid of all worries. Kala Bhairavastakam is a stotram. Lord Kala Bhairava, God Kala Bhairava, is the destructive form of God Shiva. Kala Bhairavastaka is also explored the profound verse of Kala Bhairavastakam, powerful composition by Adi Shankaracharya with this website Devon. Chanting the Bhairavastakam is believed to offer benefits such protection from negative energies, fear and enemies, along with gaining mental health, mental strength, courage and inner peace. It can also help in overcoming obstacles, removing stress, improving focus and fostering spiritual growth. You can read Kala Bhairavastakam any time, but specific auspicious time or morning 3:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. for daily chanting. During the evening on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Kala Bhairavastakam during the Rahul Kala. Daily recitation is the beneficial, and some believe chanting night can be particularly fruitful. A powerful mantra destroy evil, the Mahamrityunjaya mantram, Om Haram Jum Sha, which is believed to destroy negativity, create a protective shield, and steal that protection. Other powerful mantras include Durga Gayatri mantra for protection, the goddess Durga and the Narasimha of strength against evil forces as explained times of article.